Nowadays, the tasks performed by machines can be changed at any time. Therefore, machines must not only be highly efficient, but they must also be extremely flexible. A new device is to be integrated in a machine without PROFINET. To do so, the machine must be stopped, and the device must be added. The project must be adapted, and the project must be uploaded to the controller. Only then can the system be put back into operation. With PROFINET, machines can be flexibly extended by devices and changed. A new device can simply be connected, and then easily be added using a switch, a so-called option. Standard Ethernet devices can also be integrated using TCP/IP. Thus, for example, it is easy to read out quality data and material data. Moreover, safety concepts and energy management can be easily implemented. Take the example of a newspaper printing plant. The paper is first printed and then cut. In the next machine, it is folded and then packed. With PROFINET, flexible machine concepts can be realized in a practical modular design. In this way, PROFINET networks can be expanded by complete machine parts, upgraded, or modified, without additional engineering effort. The individual modules can be separately tested and commissioned. That reduces the costs for creation, commissioning, and documentation significantly. After all, access to proven and tested machine types and modules ensures fast reusability and optimal adaptation possibilities. Thanks to uniform engineering and easy troubleshooting, downtimes are reduced by 50%. These new possibilities support the global market leadership of PROFINET.